Are you sure about this? Well then, looks like I was actually able to keep my promise to Farad.
George, your eye!
Yes, my eye. Well, I was injured in battle long ago, as I said. But I didn't lose my eyesight. I can see just fine. The eye patch was just to remind myself to never get overconfident.
What? Are you serious? Why didn't you ever tell us?
Don't be mad.
Oh.
Oh, by the way, I've decided to leave Falena.
What? But why all of a sudden?
No matter what the circumstances, the fact remains that I killed the Queen. I can't remain in this country after having committed such an act.
George.
So, what plans do you two have? I see. I'm sure you two are going to do a great job.
George. Take care, okay?
Thanks.
All is as it should be.
Yes, I'm sure nothing like that will ever happen again.
Indeed. Huh?
And that's all. The policies of the new parliament are supported by the majority of the citizens.
I see. Thank you.
But there's one more thing.
Yes?
Among our people, there's an ever-increasing hope that you'll get married soon.
It's not easy being so beloved. You're enjoying this, aren't you? Don't be ridiculous. I've decided no more sacred games. I'll choose my own husband. Your Majesty? Anyway, there is no hurry for that. We already have a fine commander of the Queen's Knights. Am I right?